Hey friends, hope you're all doing well today. Welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this 13-piece set, European like coffee or tea set here. Let's see if I can get this up here. This features, let's see here. I'm going to put this down just in case. This is like an elegant little coffee set here, or a little teapot here, I should say. Just got to get it out of the styrofoam here. Let's see, it's really in there. Would be the easiest way to get that out of there. Maybe just break the packaging. Okay, wow. That is really pretty. Packaging is pretty amazing here. I'm gonna have to just get my little razor blade and try to get all these off of here without damaging. So this has a really like elegant, kind of an old time tea kettle like feel to it. Like, it's really a pretty set here. I'm going to try to get this all off of here without damaging anything. This is really well. Okay, so here is the stand, and that looks nice. I'm going to try to get this off here without doing anything. Really good packaging on here. Definitely did a good job on that. Isn't that pretty nice there? This little top on there. Once I clean this up, get all this styrofoam off of here. This just kind of goes under there like that. Quite elegant, actually. All right. And then we have the little plates. Also, look at these little guys. So there's that. You can put a little biscuit on there or something. And it comes with multiples of these. And these are all going to stack on that little stand there. So just if you're having like little tea parties or whatever with your friends, these are really quite pretty. There's 6 of these little plates. Okay, and we have a couple more, like a little handle here actually for the top portion. But that is not all. We also have 6 of these little teacups as well. So we're going to get all this cleaned up and set up here, and we can show you what it's going to look like as like a display piece or something if you want it on your counter or something. Even if you're not going to use it, it's a very elegant piece as far as like you could use it in a hutch or something like that. It's really pretty. There's another one right there. I don't know if these are dishwasher safe or not. They probably are, but I don't see anywhere where it says that. But they're actually a really nice looking set here. And there's the last one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this set up on my table and show you guys what it looks like. But it's really elegant. So I myself love a good cup of tea now and then. Just pour the hot water in there and get yourself a nice cup of tea or two. And it has that little protector thing on the lid as well. So this lid's not going to come off. It has that little lip right there. So you don't have to worry about your lid falling off. And then you can just enjoy a nice cup of tea. And when it's all done, everything just stacks neatly. You could even place this right here if you wanted to. Takes up very little space for 6 cups and 6 saucers. You could put some biscuits on here if you want to. And carry all that with these nice little handles on top here, just like that. So all in all, my friends, it's a beautiful little set there. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.